Namaste viewers, welcome once again to MKH Astro Vastu channel. And welcome to our Facebook viewers also who are regular followers of our Sri Manjunatha Astrology, Vastu and Yoga Zone page. Today I am your Yoga Jyotisha Vastu Acharya once again with the important topic which we are celebrating the festival Akshaya Tritiya and Mahatma Basaveshwara Jayanti. So viewers, now let us see what is the speciality in that, how do we celebrate, what are the procedures involved. So far this is the second video, the same video which we have done in Kannada. Viewers can see that Kannada video who are accessible to Kannada and who are all over world who are watching our video. For their convenience, we are made for an English video here. So let us, I just explain to you viewers with a short slide about this festival. So let us share my screen first. So viewers, you can able to see my screen about the Akshaya Tritiya. What is the speciality in that? How do we celebrate this festival? So this is the main festival for Hindus. It falls by in a sequence. Main festival we Hindus celebrate Sankranti, Yugadi, Shivratri, and it is also one of the major festival here, viewers. The Akshaya Tritiya speciality is, so this is falls by the Vaishakha Masa Shukla Paksha Tritiya Tithi, and this puja muhurt begins like this time from morning 6:13 a.m. to 12:36 p.m. on April 26, 2020, which falls by the Sunday. And this tithi actually begins from the 11:51 a.m. on April 25 and ends on the April 26 on the prescribed timing, that is 12:36 p.m. This is the festival timing. So now comes brief mythological story involved in Akshaya Tritiya, why it has been celebrated. Viewers, you might always be knowing there is some sort of the, what you say, the thing, the 4 yugas. We are living in the Kali Yuga. So the 4 yugas are Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga is assumed to have a longevity, means having the so many number of days, means it's called as Ayusha of Kali Yuga tends to be 4,32,000 years, which we are living presently. So this yugas, why I am telling is this, in this yugas, the Satya and Treta Yuga, which is the first and second yuga, on this Akshaya Tritiya only it has been started. There is a something remembrance, and there is a something saying that the beginning of Satya Yuga and Treta Yuga has begun on the Akshaya Tritiya day. So likewise, what is meant by Akshaya Tritiya? The definition. What is the Akshaya Tritiya? And what is the important significance of Akshaya Tritiya? The donation, learning any new things, hard work done on this day will result into the very good deeds, and it will be eternal. Eternal is something which is not perishable. So meaning it means to be Akshaya. Akshaya means it doesn't tend to be Kshaya. Kshaya means something to cut, something to disconnect. Akshaya is nothing to disconnect. It is always in the multiple stages. So this is why it is called as Akshaya Tritiya. So again, moving to mythological story which I have explained, you are able to see my screen here. It is the image of Lord Parashurama. He is very important sage, and he is to be believed that he has born in the Treta Yuga. And Lord Parashurama is the 6th incarnation of the Lord Mahavishnu. He is an immortal Brahmin here, and the knowledge of all the magical weaponry training, that is called as Astra Vidya. So he always obeys his father and loved his mother very much. There is one instance he obeyed his father this much. Once upon a time, for the Parashurama's mother was went to fetch the water from the river. It was informed by Parashurama's father. The mother went so many late. She did not turn up on the time. In the due time, the father was so much angry. Means Parashurama father was angry on his wife. Means Parashurama mother. So that time his father ordered Parashurama to chop off his mother's head. Immediately Parashurama, with no other say, he immediately chopped off his mother's head. But after that, Parashurama father, after going for some instance, when his angry comes down, then he asks, what the bow you want, my son? Then he told, I want this boon or bow, something means it is a boon. What the boon you want? That time the Parashurama told, oh father, please grant my mother back. So immediately the mother came back with his tapashakti, Parashuram father's tapashakti. So these are all the magical things has been happened with the Lord Parashurama. And there is a many saying for Akshaya Tritiya how it has been triggered. On this auspicious day, the river Ganga has flown to the earth, and Kubera, the Lord Kubera is something a lord of wealth. On this day, the Kubera was gifted all his wealth by goddess Lakshmi Devi. And the son of Lord Brahma, Akshaya Kumara, was also descendant on this day. And there is a story where you can see the Mahabharata story is recited by sage Veda Vyasa to Lord Ganesha on this day. And you might be knowing the Krishna Sudama story. The Sudama, who is the poor friend of Lord Krishna, went to his kingdom, and he has served his he has served the 3-4 days happened poha to the Lord Krishna. By this only Lord Krishna was impressed so much, like he has granted some sort of wealth to his friend Sudama. He has given only some coins, some sort of gold coins or something that has been manipulated to n number of times. So my dear viewers, this is the thing which has been multiplying this thing. And there is a saying like, what is the one thought in Mahabharata, the king Yudhishthira asked Sri Krishna, oh my Lord Krishna, what is the importance of the Akshaya Tritiya? Then the Sri Krishna went on saying a story. There lived an old man and who was very poor. So he was very poor by itself, but that old man and the poor man heard some sort of resources about Akshaya Tritiya Rath. Said that poor man has performed this Akshaya Tritiya Rath and he had made the donations. He had made the donation of whatever he is having in his home. The simple things, the rice, dal, salt, sugar to the Brahmins, and he made the Akshaya Tritiya Rath. By this, all these good doings for this poor man, he had born in a new form. In next life, he has born in a new form that he become the king of Kushavati. So this man. So with the blessing of gods, he become rich, majestic, and devoted. This was the story told to the Yudhishthira by Lord Sri Krishna. So my dear viewers, utilize this day for cleansing your clutter and donate to the needy people. This is no day to accumulate your wealth, but one has to accumulate his good deeds, because we only take our good deeds when we leave this earth. So if you don't purchase gold, silver, the prices will not affected if you don't purchase. But if you miss any good deeds, then you will certainly miss a lot. If I don't suggest like nobody should buy the gold or silver. Who has the capacity to buy the gold and silver, they can buy. Who is not having capacity, they can just donate the salt, the rice, the dal, the whatever sugar, whatever fruits to the needy people and to the Brahmins, and to take their blessings. This is enough. So apart from these two things, the donations and the purchasing of a gold and thing, some viewers say, sir, this is the Corona days, we are not able to go out to donate, we are not able to go to make purchases of gold, silver also. For them, I will give simple remedy. So this is a secret. If you wish to get million times of results, you do that this day. This is the thing. On this day, that is a certain thing. Just sit during Abhijita Murta of the day. Whatever the Abhijita Murta, you simply get Abhijita Murta in somewhere around in Panchanga. It falls by 12 to 1 p.m. every day. You can check Panchanga, you can Google it, Abhijita Murta. In that Abhijita Murta, you just face the north direction. Sit for 24 minutes in Abhijita Murta. Meditate for the God. your Ishta Devata or your home god. Just any mantra. If you chant the mantra of Mahavishnu, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, this is enough. So this by doing this action, your soul becomes lighter and lighter. So for the conclusion of overall these things, I have told to celebrate Akshaya Tritiya with the 3 methods. The same thing, the story I have recited with the mythology story I have told you people. First thing, you can donate all the things which I have mentioned in the video. Second thing, if you are capacity, if you are having a capacity, buy or purchase the gold or silver. Third thing, you can do that meditation in the Abhijita Murta. This is the important. And the third thing, it is an importance. Some people do perform some auspicious thing like marriage, like engagement, some spiritual ceremony, whatever rituals, if it is performed on this day, this is to be the sayings is that like it is to be auspicious if you perform the good events in these days. This is the thing. So and there is a story of Lord Krishna also. While Lord Krishna has made the Govardhana Parvata situated this day only by this holding entire Govardhana Parvata in single thing. So these are all the significations of the Akshaya Tritiya. I have told you the n number of significations here, means multiple 2-3 significations with you viewers. Along with that significance, I have mentioned you the main thing, what to be celebrated, how to be celebrated, and Tithi, Murta, and all those things viewers. So the main thing, along with the Akshaya Tritiya, this is a birth anniversary of our Lord Mahatma Basaveshwara. So he is also the divine thing here. You might be knowing, we Kannadigas proudly say, we Hindu Lingayats proudly say. So for Lord Basavanna, traditionally observed by Lingayats in the Indian state of Karnataka, Basava Jayanti marks the birth anniversary of the Mahatma Basaveshwara. He is a 12th century poet, philosopher, who was founding saint of a Lingayat section. So here I don't want to make any religion higher here, but it is a principle which is followed by Lingayats majorly. So Lord Basavanna was born in a 12th century. Exactly, he was born in a 1105 in the northern part of the Karnataka to a Kannada family and devoted to the deity Shiva. So he grew up his entire his childish days. He gone through the city called as Kudala Sangama, and he was an minister in the Bijjala kingdom, and he was very much well known by his teaching and by his Vachana Sahitya. Several important Lingayats who credited to Basavanna, including Vachanas such as the Shatasthala Vachana, Kala Gnana Vachana, Mantro Gopaya, Ghatachakra Vachana, and Raja Vachana. These are the major creations of Lord Basavanna. Some are the important Vachana Sahitya in the Basavanna which told us, which teached us like don't hurt anybody, don't discriminate anybody. The Vachana comes like this. This is the Vachana in a Kannada version. This is the thing. Kalabeda, Kolabeda, Husiya Nudiyelu Beda, Muniya Beda, Annarige Asaya Pattabeda, Tanna Bannisabeda, Idara Haliyelu Beda, Ide Antaranga Shuddhi, Ide Bahiranga Shuddhi, Ide Kudala Sangamana, Mechistalu Heluvanta Vachana. Means something he is prizing his Lord Kudala Sangama Deva. Along with he is prizing his Kudala Sangama Deva, he has created lot of Vachanas. With his Vachanas, he has done all the things, his teachings, his sayings, and he has quoted the major Vachana. It is called as Enaginta Kiriyarila, means he treated all the person equally. So that is the main thing. So he is also well known as for his Bhakta Bandari, and he is for all his good deeds he has given the supreme name as Mahatma Basaveshwara. So along with Akshaya Tritiya, it's our important thing, and Basavanna has given very important, you might be knowing, on November 14, 2015, the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has inaugurated the statue of Basavanna along the bank of River Thames at the Lambeth City in the London. So like this, the Basavanna also holds the distinction of first Kannadiga to having the greater rankings with his lot of teachings. So I wish viewers, I thought I have given enough knowledge about the celebration of Akshaya Tritiya, and along with this I have told about the Basava Jayanti speciality also. And in our channel there are lot of viewers from all others community, our Muslim brothers also. So in our Muslim brothers, I want to wish the holy Ramzan month that has been started. They have started with the Rosa. So it's all of India is a communal society, means we all live in under roof, in one roof. It is all multilingual country, and it's like cosmopolitan with all the cities, all the whole country. So I wish viewers would celebrate this happily about Akshaya Tritiya and the Basava Jayanti with a lot of happiness. So all your valuable comments and all your things are always welcome in the comment section. And do subscribe our channel. Click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to receive all the updates. I thank viewers to watching this video completely. So namaste viewers, Hare Krishna. Om Namo Shri Manjunathaya Namaha.